Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at a TP motel in Holbrook. Let's go check it out. Have you stayed in a Wigwam lately? There's a station wagon out front. It's a ranch wagon. Neat truck. I'll take a picture of that. That's neat. They got this old Ford Falcon wagon out front. Oh, it's got 2020 tags on it. It's pretty neat. It was put on the National Register. This thing actually run? I made a bunch of motels look like teepees, now I'm looking at cars. Such a clever idea. It's kind of neat. Got an old Hudson parked out front. That one's got 2021 tags on it. Huh. Someone actually drive it? It's a Cutlass. I need to get me one of these. Then I won't need to stay in motels. Pretty cool though. Come on, when do you see one of those? You know what's cool about this picture right here? It could very well be back in the 60s and 70s. Except for that one car. Very neat. Nice old Impala. Ooh, Ford Galaxy. That thing's huge. Neat stop. Ooh, a Studebaker. You really don't see all that many of these. What kind of Studebaker is it? They even have tow meter here if you run into difficulties. Although I think tow meter needs to call AAA. It's got a flat. A couple flats. Maybe this guy will help him out. Must be tow meter junior. Cool. Cool pickup truck. Neat car. His trailer looks a little bit old to wear. Alright. I guess we'll head on out. That was a pretty cool looking stop. It's nice. Nice time of day to come visit too. Still pretty cool. Well, that concludes today's adventure. I will see you someplace or another. Thanks for watching. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.